Hi everybody! Spring is finally here. Join us as my sister and I pick new flowers for our backyard. You'll see how we plant them in pots and mix different colors in a big container. Let's get to it! Last week, our family took a trip to the store to get new flowers for our backyard and in front of the house. It was so hard to pick because there's so many flowers and they're also super duper pretty. I picked a few pink and purple flowers because they're my favorite colors. Ellie wanted these white flowers. Good choice, Ellie. Did you know that you could separate flowers into two groups, annuals and perennials? These colorful pansies are annuals. They only last for one season, but bloom continuously. These tree pots over here are perennials, which means they'll come back year after year. However, they usually bloom for only a few weeks. We also picked two beautiful pots of Spanish lavender. This smells so good! And of course, some potting mix. First, we took our plants from last year. Line empty pots with dirt and transfer the new plants and flowers. Make sure not to lift them up, but flip them over instead. Loosen the roots and fill in the gap with more dirt. We picked up two big containers from the Dollar Tree. And I got to design them with different colors of pansies. They turn out so pretty. Water Blake, it was a lot of hard work. Last but not least, let's transfer the lavender into the pots. And we're done. Time to water the plants. Bye, Ellie. It's enough time for you. These are our perennials from last year. They died in the winter and are starting to grow back on their own. It's amazing. I can't wait to see how they turn out. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.